I'm Roger, and in this little short video I'm going to talk about a new sander. I've got a deal here on, if you watch the auctions, in this case it was on eBay. This is a DWE6421, new in the box. It's $29.95, and that includes shipping. So, did I need another sander? Well, you can never have too many sanders, and there's nothing so much fun as sanding, as we all know. I've got a couple other ones here I've had for years. This is a DW421. When I bought this, it was non-working, and it needed a new cord is what it needed. And I put actually an extra long cord. This one's about 20 feet long on this one. This one here is a variable speed. This is a D26423 Dewalt. And it's got a little variable speed dial right here. It's 5-inch orbital like all of these are. And in the past I kept usually maybe an 80 grit on this one and maybe a 120 or something finer on this one. And I bought this one here because I thought it'd be nice to have one extra one. And as far as the DeWalt sanders go, I've never had any problems with them. The dust collection is adequate for what they are. If you want to, you could take this off and actually hook your dust collection port up to it. I don't usually do that. I usually just use little bags. It's just a matter of remembering to empty them. The one thing I like about this is it has a lower profile than the older ones. If you need to get, not a whole lot, but it's about an inch there. So if you need to get into a tight space and you don't have a whole lot of extra area, it's pretty good, and they are fairly quiet. As far as orbital sanders go, one of the other ones I have I don't even use anymore is a older Craftsman, and it's so loud I have to actually put my earmuffs on when I'm using it. It'll just drive you nuts. Not a whole lot more to be said about it. Just wanted to kind of go over this here a little bit. I thought it was a good deal. It's once again, it's a DWE6421. I got it on a deal. Watching an auction on eBay, $29.95, brand new. Of course, works perfect. It doesn't have the variable speed or anything, but if I do need the variable speed, I've always got this one I can use. Anyway, a little short video on this new DeWalt sander to add to my little sander arsenal here. And of course, if you like this or get anything out of it, we appreciate getting a thumbs up. And of course, we're always looking for subscribers. And if you do subscribe and you want to be notified when the next video is posted, click that little bell you'll see on there and you'll be notified when we post another video. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.